be your someone. The Ventures of Brit and Jam. The Ventures of Jam and Brit. On the nature trail, might as well. My ship's coming in, setting sail. The Ventures of Brit and Jam. Wrote this on my way to the Andromeda Galaxy, actually tapping into the meaning of life factually. Love, peace, and abundance. Reincarnation of another chance as I dance. Away the blues with the blues. Do you know the history of scatting in the tap shoes? I gotta take a glance. And my inner child running wild up in the wild. Washing away the denial up in the Nile. Resentment, resent everything back to me. I heal my heart so I can put out the right frequency. Telephone calls echoing on the walls. Ignoring them all as I stroll the Akashic halls. It just came to me like an epiphany. You gotta love your life and everything you see. That part.
Your love now, let's bring it in. Come and get your love, come and get your love, come and get your love now. Get this love, come and get your love, come and get your love, come and get your love now. Let's bring it in. Come and get your love, come and get your love, come and get your love now. Look. Wanna know what Dalmatian crystals? I just landed in Florida playing this instrumental. 2 wings like the movie Michael. One of my mama's favorites. The pie in the sky. I know I can taste it. Keep me in your rotation. All I know is love and elevation.